Hello everyone, this is Lance from KingClima. Okay, today is cloudy. Here we have 30 pieces bus air conditioner export to Southeast of Asia. So you can see this model is very beautiful. The model is KK400. Here you can see, here we use five fan. Each fan, the blow output is about 2 cylinders. And we use tube and fan for the condenser and evaporator. Here you can see this middle side material is stainless steel. It looks very beautiful. And the cover we use FT material, and the base we use SMC material. So if you are looking for bus air conditioner, please go to KingClima. You are welcome.